Freelancers. Pause for a second. There's one paycheck mistake that quietly costs people thousands of dollars every single tax season. And most don't realize it until the damage is already done. It's not about forgetting deductions. It's not about doing anything illegal. And it's not something only beginners mess up. It's about not knowing your real tax situation. If you freelance, do gig work, or run a side hustle, this applies to you. And fixing it now can save you serious money later. Define the problem. Here's the reality most people don't like to admit. The majority of freelancers don't actually know what they owe in taxes. They guess. They round numbers. They eyeball it. Or they ignore it completely and hope tax season isn't too bad. Unlike W-2 employees, freelancers don't have taxes automatically taken out of each paycheck. Every payment hits your account looking like profit, even though a large portion of it isn't. And the IRS doesn't step in to help you along the way. They don't warn you when you're underpaying. They don't notify you when your estimates are off. They don't send reminders saying, hey, you might want to fix this. They wait, and when tax season arrives, that's when people suddenly face unexpected tax bills, penalties for underpaying throughout the year, stress that drains savings or forces credit card debt. What felt like a good income year suddenly feels like a financial setback. Why this keeps happening? So why does this problem keep showing up year after year? First, no employer withholding. Nothing is automatically removed, so every dollar feels spendable. Second, multiple income streams. Freelance clients, gig platforms, bonuses, tips, digital products. Income comes from different places and adds up fast. Third one, irregular pay. Some months are strong, other months slow down. That inconsistency makes planning feel unreliable. And fourth, confusing tax rules. Estimated taxes, quarterly payments, self-employment tax. Most people aren't taught any of this when they start freelancing. So instead of dealing with it early, people delay. They tell themselves, I'll deal with it later. Later turns into tax season, and tax season turns into stress. The hidden cost of guessing. Guessing your taxes doesn't just risk penalties. It creates constant background anxiety. It makes people afraid to spend money they've already earned. And it creates a feeling that your finances are always out of control. Some people underpay and get hit with a large bill they weren't prepared for. Others overpay, which means they've been giving the government an interest-free loan all year. Either way, you lose. And the frustrating part, most of this could have been avoided with a simple check earlier in the year. The fix. Here's the good news. The solution isn't complicated. You don't need to be a tax expert. You don't need spreadsheets or advanced math. You only need clarity around three things: your real income, your estimated taxes, and how much you should be setting aside. When you know those numbers, everything changes. You stop guessing, you stop stressing, and tax season stops being a surprise. That's exactly why PaycheckPerfect.com exists. It's built for freelancers, gig workers, and people with side income who want answers without confusion. Instead of wondering where you stand, you can see it clearly in minutes. Conceptual tool. Walk through. Here's how Paycheck Perfect helps in simple terms. You enter your income, including side income. The tool estimates what you owe in taxes, and it shows you what you should be setting aside going forward. No jargon, no confusing IRS language, no waiting until January to find out something went wrong. You can immediately see how changes in income affect your tax situation. Earn more? You'll know what that means. Add a side hustle? You'll see the impact. Have a slower month? You can adjust. That's the difference between reacting and staying in control. Why this matters long-term. When you understand your tax situation early, everything improves. You plan spending with confidence. You protect your cash flow. You stop fearing tax season. Instead of scrambling once a year, you stay ahead year-round. Taxes stop feeling like a threat and start feeling manageable. That's how professionals handle money. Not by guessing, but by staying informed and proactive. who this is for. This matters if you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, a gig worker with unpredictable income, someone with a W-2 job and side income, or anyone tired of tax surprises every year. If you've ever been shocked by a tax bill, this is for you. If you've ever overpaid and wondered where your money went, this is for you. So here's the bottom line. Don't wait for tax season to surprise you, and don't wait for the IRS to tell you what went wrong. Take a few minutes, check your numbers now. Visit PaycheckPerfect.com. The link is in the pinned comment and the description. A small check today can save you thousands later.